What's up, everybody? We're here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we are going to check out some of the new things that are coming in 2022. Stay tuned. If you're planning a vacation in Myrtle Beach this year, here are just a few things that you can expect to find that are new in 2022. Our first stop is the 1229 Shine. This brand new restaurant run by the owners of Co Sushi just opened in the Market Common. Located at 1229 Shine Avenue, their menu highlights everything from fresh oysters, fried and grilled seafood, salads, and much more. And with a full bar setup, they offer a variety of specialty cocktails and frozen drinks, among other things. They have a funky mural that has been painted on the new building, which is a great backdrop for photos. So make sure you bring your phone for pictures as well as your appetite, so you can shine on. Our next place is Prime Chicken. This all-new fast food restaurant opened its doors in Myrtle Beach with a unique take on a classic southern dish, fried chicken. Prime Chicken offers all homemade menu items with their unique flour-based breading that adds just the right spice. Their menu also offers fried pork ribs and buttermilk biscuits made fresh every 15 minutes. So if you're on the go, swing into Prime Chicken, located at 2297 South Kings Highway. The next one on our list is a brand new oceanfront water park at the Landmark Resort. This $3 million 9,800 square foot water park is set to open in the summer of 2022. It is a complete overhaul of the resort's H2 Oasis water park. Here's a couple of snaps of what it should look like when it's complete this summer. It will feature a variety of slides, with 3 being 40 foot tall. But just be aware that this park will be exclusive for guests who stay through their on-site rental program. And finally, there is the Hangout. One of the most anticipated items coming to the beach this year. And it's located at Broadway at the beach. Currently under construction, but it is still scheduled to be open in 2022. But this is what it should look like when it is complete. This 40,000 square foot entertainment complex will include a restaurant that will offer seafood, burgers, sandwiches, and tacos. It will have entertainment stages both indoors and out. And family-friendly events will be held year-round. That covers 2022 so far. We hope you found this video informative when making your way to Myrtle Beach on your next trip. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep beaching.